My name is Crystal Twitty, CEO and founder of TLC, Twitty Legal Consulting, where you will get the TLC you need on employment law and human resource compliance. As an attorney, I started this consulting firm because I strongly recognize the need to advise employers and human resource professionals early on to avoid problems down the line. Do you need guidance on issues related to hiring, termination, leave, wage and labor, or complaints of harassment and discrimination? Well, let's chat now. And by doing so, I can help you save time, money, and avoid lawsuits. Check out my webpage for more details on the types of services I offer. Call me today so I can give you and your business the TLC you deserve.